Good evening, everybody. I'm Sonalika Ray. I'm pursuing Masters in Bioinformatics from Punjab University, Chandigarh. And currently, I'm a research fellow at Pine Biotech. My research interest lies in omics data sciences, computer aided drug designing, and pharmacoinformatics. So, today I'm here to share my path to computational biology and how bioinformatics shaped my career. So, as a student, it all starts in 12th. Must have happened with all of you, no doubt. So, I took medical, and like any medical aspirant, my only aim was to get into MBBS. I worked a lot hard, but destiny could not get a government seat. I had heard a lot about bioinformatics as the most promising field, and the subjects gained my attention, and I got a seat for pursuing bachelor's in bioinformatics honors at Punjab University. I learned a lot, gained a lot of insights and about many fields, and then came the time for my master's. So I started exploring about more fields. I thought let's explore some other fields in the masters, and somehow I started thinking about other fields like stem cell engineering, genomics, genetic engineering, or the biomedical sciences. But then my professors made me realize about how vast bioinformatics is, about how it comes under all the domains, like how it covers all the other domains, and how pursuing masters in bioinformatics could help me do research in whichever domain I would want to. So that made me pursue masters in bioinformatics. And then came my second year of masters, and I was very much interested to take up some or the other internship program and do some sort of hands-on analysis or learn more about how actually industry works and what skills are required. But what happened in my second year itself, COVID happened. So I started looking for opportunities online, and I was fortunate enough to find out the Pine Biotech website. So I found a great deal of courses over there. There were many projects over there, and also I was surprised to see that they had got the R and Python code integrated in their server itself. So I took up the courses. I learned a lot of them, and then I in January I was fortunate enough to get a research fellowship, and I started my research project, my master's dissertation project on liver cancer with them itself. And just in the span of 3 months, I was I could finish my project. And our academics has designed the program such that we need to take 6 months to do our project, but just with the help of the server, I could do everything in just a matter of few months. So many a times people actually ask a question why bioinformatics and where it stands today. So actually, I just wanted to discuss how important the field bioinformatics is. So bioinformatics is actually the collaborative study which integrates a lot many fields. So it has biology, computer science, maths, biochemistry, statistics, chemistry, engineering, and data science. Obviously, that's the most upcoming study right now, right? So it's not like that bioinformatics has no scope or it's like a smaller part of some or the other field. But actually, what I think it is the father of all, because all the main branches they come under what bioinformatics. So getting a hands-on and getting yourself trained with all the skills of bioinformatics is like the most important thing right now. And as we all have been discussing that in our academics, what we face is a lot of theoretical part of concepts because our syllabus, first of all, doesn't get updated timely and it focuses more on the theoretical part. So this is what I'm talking about the Indian education system. I'm not blaming any system, but yes, it's like that. So yeah, we need to actually look for more of trainings and we need to train ourselves with the upgraded skills. So that's where Pine Biotech helped me a lot. So first of all, my research project, I was very much confused which topic to take because it happens with almost each and every student, I believe, that whenever our projects are about to start, we think, okay, which topic we should start with, what to do, how to do, and things like that. So the mentors at Pine Biotech, they were so pretty helpful to me. Like they helped me with what topic to choose. So Ilya sir, Harpreet ma'am, and Mohit sir, they actually helped me with my topic. What should be my research question? They helped me frame each and everything. And they were with me at each and every point of my research project. Whenever I faced an issue, they were there to help me. So mentorship, it's amazing. And then the best part is that we don't get such pretty big labs or the instrumentations which is required to carry out the research at a great level. And I used to believe that just because my institution can't afford these expensive labs and machines, that means that I might somehow lag behind others. But no, actually, Pine Biotech provided that server to me to carry out whatever analysis in the world I can think of, right? So all my research project analysis was through the Pine Biotech server. And what I did in my project was I repurposed drugs based on the transcriptomic data of hepatocellular carcinoma cell lines. So I needed to carry out a lot many things, let it be machine learning or to find out the differentially expressed genes, see where the clusters are present. And also then I had to integrate a lot many visualizations to understand my results in a much better way. So that's where TBioInfo came to my rescue. So yes, it's a great platform. And moreover, if you're interested to learn more about others' projects first, because many a times if you are a non-bioinformatics student, you might be confused about what to do and like what the topics are, like to know more about the existing opportunities, right? So there are a lot many projects integrated on the server which you can like go and have a look at and understand what they did, how they did, what was their methodology, and the research process. Yes, and also there are many like demo pipelines which you could follow. And moreover, the best of all is that there are like the bestest of the trainings and webinars where each and every assistance is there. Like you can see yourself today itself, like each and everything was told, though not in that much detail because yes, there's a lot to cover, so we need time to do that. But yes, up to a great extent it was. So yes, I feel myself fortunate enough to be a part of Pine Biotech, to have done my master's dissertation with Pine Biotech even in the COVID times. And yes, so I thank you all. I thank the team specially who helped me a lot to complete my project. Thank you. Now I would like to pass it on to Dr. Mohit.